In our previous examples, we always used exact matches for VLOOKUP, but many students often ask, what about approximate match? Well, today we're going to dive into approximate match and how it can help us when the exact value we're looking for isn't present in the table, but we still want to find the closest match. In simpler terms, when you use the approximate match option, VLOOKUP will look for the closest value that is less than or equal to the lookup value. It's a super helpful tool when you're working with ranges or categories rather than exact data points. So, let's take a look at a practical example to see how this works. In this example, we need to calculate commissions based on sales amounts. The commission structure is as follows. For sales between 0 and 2,000, the commission is 10%. From 2,000 to 3,000, it's 20%. From 3,000 to 5,000, it's 30%. And for anything up to 5,000, it's 40%. Now, we have a series of sales figures: 650, 1,120, 3,500, 4,561, and 9,821. But these specific values don't appear directly in the table. We need to use the approximate match option to calculate the correct commission rate. Let's go ahead and start with the first value. 650. In cell where you need the result, type equals VLOOKUP, and for the lookup value, select the cell containing 650. Next, for the table array, select the cell from C6 to D10, which holds the commission brackets and the corresponding rates. Since we're looking for commission, the column index number will be 2, as the commission data is in the second column of the table. Here's the critical part. If we tried to use the exact match, which we've done in the past with a false argument, this formula would show an error because 650 isn't directly listed in the table. Instead, we need to switch to approximate match. To do this, we'll type 1 for the range lookup argument to indicate an approximate match. Once you hit enter, you'll see the result. 0% commission, of course, since 650 falls outside the first bracket. Now let's make sure everything is set up correctly. Fix the table reference so that you can drag the formula down. As you drag it, you'll automatically calculate the commission for each of the other sales values: 1,120, 3,500, 4,561, and 9,821. But wait, there's one last thing to do. Change the result format. Right now, the commission values are in general format. Since we're working with percentages, let's change the format to percentage. And just like that, the commissions are displayed in percentage format, showing the correct rate for each sale. For example, for the sale of 3,500, the commission is 20%, as it falls within the 2,000 to 3,000 range. Similarly, for 4,561, the commission is also 20% because it falls within the same range, between 3,000 and 5,000. It's a simple yet powerful way to use VLOOKUP's approximate match to solve real-world problems where exact matches aren't always available. I hope this example gave you a clear understanding of how to apply approximate matching in your own work. Keep practicing, and soon this will feel second nature to you. That's it for now, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Keep up the great work.